Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming at you guys again with yet a video, and today is a nice, beautiful, breezy Sunday in Virginia Beach, and I got 3 new packages to unbox because yes, I do want to go outside and enjoy a little bit of the sun and the breeze. So today we got a triple sneaker unboxing. This box in the bottom, man, I've been waiting on this for I can't even do the math right now, but once we get to this one, I'll break it down for you how long I've been waiting for this package. On the bottom, I had won something off of S&S sneakers and stuff, and then also got a package from Adidas. Like, it's just a lot of stuff going on right here, and I just wanted to go ahead and unbox it with y'all today. Now, y'all know I would usually do the montage and stuff, and that is on the way because I'm looking at what, 1, 2, 3, probably like 8 to 10 brand new packages of clothing that I gotta do a clothing haul video on. Probably be 2 separate clothing hauls coming up this week. And yes, I have been working on the reviews. You guys were asking for a couple reviews. The 97 review is in the works. Yeezy 700's in the works. You guys already know I dropped the Shadows. I did an on-feed Safaris. I'm not sure if I'm gonna finish that whole review, but just know it's a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes. You already know, dropped the video with Clint Capella earlier this week, so just know the videos have been dropping. If you missed anything, hey, go back a couple videos and y'all can get into it. But today, yes, 3 new boxes, new clothes, new sneakers. You already know what time it is. Let's go ahead, let's get it. So first up out of the stack, you already know what time it is. This one came from, I believe, this one's actually off of Adidas.com. I actually got really lucky while I was out there. This is back when I was in Naples, and you guys might have already guessed what I have in this package right here. And I've been waiting on these. This was like an extra pair that I ended up getting, and they were pretty easy, man. And right now, the resale prices on these are, well, they're great. Like, I was on Grailed. I've been thinking about maybe getting a second pair, or actually a third pair for myself at this point, just to hold on to and see how kind of the resale goes. Maybe keep them for trade bait or something. But yes, the Yeezy 500, and this one is a smaller box, as you guys can see. So I was like playing around on Adidas trying to get my size, and I ended up just adding some other sizes to the cart, and I got lucky and secured a size 8.5 in the blush Yeezy 500s, and I was wondering if they were still gonna have that double label. You guys know that when I drop my review, there is a double layer on the box. There's 2 labels. One underneath says Desert Rat 500, and one just says Yeezy 500, and I thought they were gonna fix that, but on this one, you can definitely see that the label was just, you know, taped over, you know, slapped on top of. But you guys have seen my review on these. You guys kind of understand my feelings on this shoe already, and this was just a size 8.5 in the Yeezy 500. And what they're calling the blush colorway now. It is no longer the Desert Wrap. It is the blush color, even though Yeezy did drop some new boots that are kind of, you know, kind of modeled like this shoe, and those are called, I think, the Desert Wrap boots. Now, the boots, in my opinion, they definitely aren't as good. Y'all won't see me rocking any Desert Wrap boots anytime soon. I'm just not a big fan of the boot version of the shoe. Maybe when they do the new sole on it, but as of right now, just not a big fan of that shoe. But yes, the first package, a brand new size 8.5 of the Yeezy 500. And like I was mentioning before, man, the resale prices on these are getting kind of low. Like, I was on Grailed, and I just feel like what it is, a lot of people are buying these shoes, and maybe, you know, they might not have all the money to just keep a shoe in the collection and not have to sell it immediately. And what it's leading to is a lot of people buying them and trying to sell them immediately. So if someone's selling at 300, they're like, all right, I'm gonna sell mine at 290. The next dude says, all right, I'm gonna sell mine at 280, and it just keeps going down like that. So hey, if you want this shoe, you can get these for right now, probably like 250. Just check on Grailed, or maybe even check StockX. I didn't even check what they were going for on StockX. So yeah, brand new size 8.5 Yeezy Mud Rat or Yeezy 500, whatever. Blush colorway. I'm gonna go ahead and toss these in the back, and yes, they do balance. So I'm gonna leave those right there for now. Hopefully they don't fall. And then we had another package. Now, this was a raffle that I won on sneakers and stuff, and I've been getting pretty lucky with raffles. I mean, I got lucky with the Shadow 1 raffle, and I got very lucky with this raffle as well. It just seems like there was a lot of pairs of these, and I'm just glad to double up, which means I can just totally beat down a pair, or just keep these for, once again, trade bait or just sell them on Bulls Bodega. I'm definitely gonna be selling some stuff that's in this package on Bulls Bodega as soon as I get done with this video. So if you're looking for it when we get to that, just know Bulls Bodega, links down below, where I sell like extra shoes, extra clothing, all the other shit that I'm selling, blam, it's there. So like I mentioned, I won these on Sneakers and Stuff raffle, and yes, another pair, but as you can see, a much bigger box, and these are my size. I didn't get any winning raffles on the Vapor Max off-white joints, the all-white V2 of the Vapor Max. I entered a raffle on Sneakers and Stuff as well for those, and no dice, so I'm gonna have to just get a delayed W on that pair. But you probably have already guessed it. Yeezy 500. Did they stack the labels on this one? Yes, the labels are still stacked, and this one is a brand new size 12. So I'm glad to actually have a double up on these. These ones can just sit in the collection. I can watch how resale prices are going and decide, you know, do I want to trade this shoe later on? Do I want to sell this shoe? Or do I just want to keep them for the personal collection? This shoe, for me, has definitely been growing on me, and I guess as I'm seeing more colorways and more colorways from, you know, Kanye tweeting out and stuff, and I'm just starting to more appreciate the shoe. And I mean, the materials on there are really good, the leather, the suedes, and the fit is pretty good as well. I mean, they do fit a little snug, but I wouldn't want to size up. I think it'll wear in as you wear them more. And like I said, this is my second pair of Yeezy 500s because my original pair that I got are right here, and I think I got these from way back during All-Star Weekend. I got this pair at Commonwealth in LA, entered the raffle, and actually won that one. So another Yeezy 500 blush colorway. Let me toss this one in the back too, and we can get into the main course of this video, which is this box right here. And last up, we have this big box right here, and this one comes directly from Yeezy Supply. You guys would be surprised at some of the comments or questions that I get. People ask me, is like, Jimmy Jazz legit? What the fuck is legit? Is Jimmy Jazz legit? I mean, is Foot Action Finish Line? I still get these questions. And another one I get is Yeezy Supply legit? And of course, yes, Yeezy Supply is legit. Now, this package right here, I have been waiting on this package for 145 days because I ordered these on December 5th. And yes, Yeezy got me. He got me with this package. So 145 days or 3,494 hours or 209,650 minutes or 12,579,060 seconds I have been waiting for this package to hit my doorstep. And it's finally here. Now, you guys might be asking, why have I said that Kanye got me on this package? And that's because this bundle deal, because I thought this shoe was gonna come a lot earlier than it did. This bundle deal literally cost me what, like 800 bucks, like 780 or about 800 bucks to get this full package. And why I'm saying he got me is because of course this does come with a shoe, but it also came with clothing as well. And the pricing on this clothing is a lot different, or not a lot different, but a lot higher than what it is now for Yeezy Calabasas or just Yeezy season clothing. So inside this package, I do have a brand new pair of the Supermoon Yellow 500s that I'm pretty eager to see, but I also had got some shorts and a hoodie, and like I told y'all, I will be selling this stuff on Bulls Bodega, so there will be no on buys. I'm just gonna unbag it and show you guys. I'm gonna be selling it for way below retail, so if you want it, I'll upload it right after this. If you're watching this, it should be available unless somebody bought it already. So I got these in a size large, which is the correct size, and these are the core black, basically sweat shorts, you know what I mean? So it's an all gray charred out sweat short, and it is a nice pair of sweat shorts, but for the price I paid, I'd rather just go ahead and get some of that cash back and spend on some other stuff for spring and summer. But it's not a bad pair of shorts. The quality is still there. So these ones were actually made in the US of A, season 6, 91% cotton, 9% elastane, but some nice fleece sweat shorts. And let me actually look at what the retail price for these shorts was back then. So back then, these shorts cost me 240 bucks. That's how much these sweat shorts cost me. And once again, I will be letting these go for way below retail. Just some nice charred out, very comfy, raw hemmed out sweat shorts. So this one cost me what, 240 for the shorts. And then I also copped the gray hoodie right here, and this one retailed at $320. And the reason I say that he got me with this is that nowadays you can get Calabasas stuff on sale, and some of the stuff that isn't just blank is only like $260 or $280. I'm not gonna say only $260 or $280, but just know it's not $320. So I also copped this as well. I got this one in a size large because I just know that the stuff fits really big, really oversized. I mean, it's a nice hoodie. It seems very nice, seems very comfy. I would probably like to keep it, but I'm probably gonna end up letting it go. We'll see. If it's on Bulls Bodega, I'm selling it. If it's not, then you know I probably kept it. So yeah, season 6 hoodie, season 6 shorts, as you guys can see. I'm gonna toss these in the back, and let's get into that main course, bruh. The dinner of this package, the Yeezy 500 in Super Moon Yellow. I have been waiting to see this shoe in hand and to share this moment with you guys, because I ordered these thinking I was gonna get these a lot, you know, way before the blushes or any other pair came out, and it actually took a very long time. So we have the Super Moon Yellow joints, and I'm gonna make sure to give you guys some B-roll because I probably gotta turn this camera down a little bit. It's probably blasting out the colors, but they will be B-roll for you. So right off top, I am a fan of the color on these. I definitely like these better than the piss yellow, frozen yellow Yeezy 350 V2. Definitely a bigger fan of this shoe versus that one. And if we just pull up, you know, a pair of blushes versus the yellow, you guys can definitely see there is a difference. You know what I mean? You got the blush, which is a very light tan color, and then the yellow is almost like a washed out acid yellow colorway. But overall, I do like them. I don't plan on selling this pair. We do know that these are going to be releasing in either May or June, the yellow pair, and I will make sure to get this review out to you guys as well. I know some people are interested in this shoe, and I know some of the people that are only interested in how much they can sell them for might not be as interested in the second colorway, seeing as how wide, or not even a wide release, but how many people are trying to sell this 500 right here. I'm pretty sure the same thing is going to happen with the Super Moon Yellows. I wonder, are they going to change, you know, supply of the shoe? We know that the yellow pair, the 350s, was the most limited. Then they did a small restock, which kind of knocked down the prices on those. Who knows? This might be the second or the most limited 500, or it could be the most GR. Who knows? All I know is that I finally had a shoe. It's here. I can do a review, and I'm happy to finally see them in person after waiting a very long time. So that's gonna be a wrap for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. So we got 3 new pairs of 500s in, 2 pairs of the blush guys, and then a third and final pair of the Super Moon Yellows. Like I said, I will be posting those Yeezy season stuff, like the shorts and the hoodie or whatever I'm selling up on Bulls Bodega. So if you want it below retail, it will be there for you. But that is it, man. That is gonna be a wrap. Much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. And before we do that, let me check something. I want to know if they did the double label on these. No, there's only one label on the Super Moon Yellows. It is not a Desert Rat label on the bottom of them. I just wanted to check that out before we got out of here. So much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, Blasi Bottle, of course, you know, yellow, blush, Bullet RC, and I will see y'all next video. Y'all let me know, are y'all feeling the 500, or is it still trash, garbage, basura, garbaggio in your opinion? But that is it. I am out of here. Y'all be easy. Peace. Enjoy your Sunday, by the way.
Whoopity scoop whoop poop. Poop diddy whoop scoop. Poop. Poop. Scoop diddy whoop. Whoop diddy scoop. Whoop diddy scoop poop. Whoopity scoop. Scoop dee dee whoop, whoop dee scoop dee poop, poop dee scoop dee.